In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money between different accounts in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow these steps carefully to ensure a seamless transaction. First, you'll want to start by navigating to QuickBooks Online and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled New. Click on this button. This action will open up a drop-down menu that gives you several options, among which is Transfer. Please select Transfer from this menu. Upon selecting Transfer, you'll open up a new window dedicated to handling the details of your transfer. In this window, you'll see fields where you can specify the accounts involved in the transaction. You'll need to indicate both the account from which you're transferring the money and the account to which the money will be credited. This step is critical because it ensures the funds are withdrawn from and deposited to the correct accounts in your QuickBooks records. Next, you'll need to enter the transfer amount. Be meticulous with the figures here, as even a minor discrepancy can lead to accounting errors down the line. Additionally, specify the date for the transfer. This date is vital for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring that your statements reflect this transfer at the appropriate time. Also, in this window, you'll find that you can add details regarding the transfer. While this isn't always mandatory, it's a good idea to fill in as much information as possible. By elaborating on the purpose of the transfer or any notes to accompany the transaction, you help maintain clarity in your financial documentation. This additional information can be incredibly helpful when reviewing your financial transactions later. Once all these fields are accurately filled out with the appropriate details, the final step is to click Save. This action formalizes the transfer in your QuickBooks account, ensuring that records are updated immediately and accurately. Once saved, you have completed the transfer process, and your money will be moved between the specified accounts. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully transferred money between accounts in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping meticulous records and ensuring that the information you've input is correct will help maintain the integrity of your financial data. Being thorough at each step will save you time and prevent any issues in your financial reporting in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to check out other QuickBooks Online tutorials to maximize your use of this handy tool.